Hello, welcome to Selina channel again. So today we are learning something different, something new. I know I'm not quite good at the expression. So right, first one is aeroplane. Aeroplane. Hakka is fuu-gearr. Fuu-gearr. Cantonese is faay-gay. Faay-gay. And the next one is bus. Bus. Bus in Hakka is baa-see. Baa-see. Cantonese is baa-see. Baa-see. So it's similar and it's kind of easy to say. So the next one is bike. Bike. Bike in Hakka is dean-dan-chee-y. Dan-chee-y. Cantonese is dean-dan-chee-y. Dan-chee-y. The next one is motorbike. Motorbike. Motorbike in Hakka is dean-dan-chee-y. Sorry. Hakka in motorbike is dean-dan-chee-y. Dean-dan-chee-y. Cantonese obviously dean-dan-chee-y. Dean-dan-chee-y. So the next one is boat. Boat. Boat in Hakka is sae-shoon. Sae-shoon. Cantonese is soon. Soon. Big boat in Hakka is tai-shoon. Tai-shoon. In Cantonese, it will be tai-shoon. Tai-shoon. And then the next one is small boat. Small boat. Hakka is sae-shoon. Sae-shoon. Cantonese will be sae-shoon. Sae-shoon. So it's actually everything you use, big and small, it's like small, it's like sae in Cantonese, sae-jet, you know, like something small. And then Hakka, so small in Hakka is sae-jet, you know. So okay, let's go into the last one. The last one is van. Van. Van in Hakka is Vann-J. Vann-J. Cantonese, it will be Vann-J. So it's similar because sometimes they don't have any other words to match it. So we kind of say it the same way. Okay, so hope you have a nice day again. Have a nice sunny day and enjoy your springtime. Not long before Easter now, so hope you all have a nice Easter time. So I'll probably see you again before then. So have a good day. Bye.